flooding basement, and pump line blockage. HomeStars fire and water damage restoration review, Midhurst, Ontario. Our old house has always had issues with water collecting in the basement. Tyler and Zach were able to help offer possible solutions, all while explaining to me why it was all happening, and in terms I could understand. They were able to give us a few options, and as a young homeowner, I could not value that more. Fast response, had someone on site, shortly after I called. Give them a 5 by 5 rating. Would strongly recommend. We'll be using them again. But hopefully not for emergency stuff. J Power 38 Midhurst, Ontario.